Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cut this stylish gathered bustier gown. So if you're interested in learning how to make this dress, relax and watch to the end. Now to start cutting, after folding my brown paper into two, I'll mark the shoulder measurement divided by 2 to get 6 inches. Then mark the armhole length, which is 7.5. So this is the shoulder measurement. Connect the points. The next thing is to mark the bust size divided by 4 to get 8. I'm going to mark the half length of the gown, which is 13 inches. So I'll mark and roll. Now add extra 3 inches to the bust size. After adding, the bust size becomes 11.5 inches. So I'll mark 11.5 inches on the waistline, then connect the points. Now I'll come down by 6 inches to mark the chest line just like this. Then connect the points. I'm going to mark the shoulder to the underbust measurement, which is 12 inches. After marking, roll. I'm going to mark the bust size measurement on the chest line just like this. Instead of here, I'll make a curve from this angle to this angle just like this. I'm going to add an extra 2 inches from the half length line. Then mark the original waist size measurement divided by 4 to get 6. Roll out the waistline and connect it to the other bust line. So this is the chest line, the under bust line, half length line, and the blouse length or waistline. Now I'm just going to cut a shape. So this is the waistband for the gown, and this is the bust piece. I will keep the front piece aside and work on the back piece. Now this is another brown paper folded in two. I'll measure the length of the front piece, which is 9.5 inches. I'm going to mark the 9.5 inches here. Come here, measure the armhole and mark on the back piece. I will roll out the length line and the zip line allowance. Now mark the bust size measurement divided by 4 to get 8. On the waistline, I will mark 6, which is the waist size after dividing by 4. Connect the point just like this. Then also measure and mark the chest size, which is 6.5. and make a curve to form the armhole. Now cut to shape. So guys, this is the front and back piece after cutting. When you open it up, this is how it looks. This is the bust piece, this is the band and the back piece. Now the next thing is to place my fabric on the table. Place the brown paper on the fabric, pin them and trace cut to shape, leaving out the sewing allowance. To make the sleeve, this is my fabric. I will divide 7 by 2 to get 3.5, then add an extra 3.5 to get 7 inches. So I'll mark 7 inch here. For the sleeve length, I will remove 2 inches for folding at the top and the down of the sleeve and cut to shape. So guys, I'm going to fold here and also fold it down. So I'm going to insert the elastic. It will give me the original sleeve length, which is 5 inches. Now to cut the down of the gown, this is my fabric folded in two. I'll fold again like this. Now I'll mark out half-inch waistline, then mark the hip line measurement, which is 8. After marking, rule out the line. Now from the waistline, I'm going to mark and rule out the knee line, which is 16 inches. Now I'm going to remove my half length measurement, which is 14, to mark the gown length. So this is my hip line, the knee line, and the length line. On the hip line, I will mark my waist size divided by 4. I will come to the waistline and also mark the waist size divided by 4. I will add an extra 2.5 inches allowance on the waistline and the hip line. Now connect the points. On the knee line, I will mark the hip size and extra 2 inches. I'll connect the point just like this. Then from the knee line, I'll mark a small A shape with my free hand. I'll cut to shape the side. I'll come in by 1 inch at the side of the length line, connect it like this, then mark 1 inch folding allowance and cut to shape. Now I'm going to notch out the zip line allowance and we are done cutting the down piece of the gown. So when you open up the back piece, this is how it looks. This is the front piece. So guys, this is how to cut this stylish gathered bustier gown. In my next video, I'll be showing you guys the step-by-step process of sewing it. If you really enjoyed this video and you've watched to this point, please subscribe to my channel. Feel free to share the video. Also like and comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.